Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making your nails reliable tools and healthy surfaces. Clean hands thoroughly so grip and hygiene are solid. Oils reduce traction. Trim to 1 to 2 millimeters past the fingertip so you keep utility without breakage. Once done, use a clipper to remove length and a 240 grit file to square the edge gently. This prevents snags. Make sure to push back cuticles lightly and dry hands with a soft cloth so you can move directly to shaping. Now you shape and train your nails for specific tasks, and you learn why each choice matters. File in a single direction to keep layers intact. That reduces splitting. For precision tasks, choose a slight curve. For leverage and prying, choose a squarer edge. Once shaped, practice basic grips. Use the thumb pad behind the nail for power and the index or middle finger for delicate picks. Make sure to test on safe items so you internalize angles and pressure without damaging the nail. Finish by protecting the edge and reinforcing strength because prevention beats fixes. Apply a clear coat or a layer of nail oil to seal small micro tears and improve durability. This keeps the edge from catching. If a nail cracks, stop using it for high-torque tasks, file the crack into a smooth line, and secure a small adhesive strip or bandage while it grows out. Make sure to maintain weekly. Trim, file lightly, and oil so you retain usable nails and avoid repeated problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.